Hi everyone, and welcome to the Creative Memories Worldwide Virtual Crop. My name is Cynthia. I'm a Creative Memories advisor in Melbourne, Australia, and I was asked to contribute to the virtual crop by completing a 2-page layout using the All My Love collection. What I'm going to show you in this technique video is how to create this detail in the corner here. What you'll need to complete this detail is a circle punch, your 12-inch trimmer, the custom cutting system, and we'll be using the smallest circle with the green blade. You'll also need some adhesive and of course the paper of your choice, whether that's cardstock or designer paper. So, are you ready? Let's get started. To begin with, you need 6-inch by 6-inch piece of cardstock or paper. Then use your favourite circle punch. Now I'm using the floral circle punch, but any circle punch will do. These are really simple to use. You slide your card in or your paper and you punch the corner. Then you turn the paper 90 degrees to the next corner and punch. To the third corner and punch. To the fourth corner and punch. Remove the card and we are halfway there. Turn the card over, just flip it. Then put this corner into the punch, turn it again, next corner, and finally the last corner. And there we have punched this beautiful floral circle. You can get rid of the punch now and clear up all the rubbish. Now I like to position this kind of in the centre of my cutting mat. It just, it helps me anyway. That looks pretty good. Then take the smallest circle from the custom cutting system and place that, just use your eye, but place it in the centre of your already cut out piece of paper. You'll see I'm using the green blade. These have feet, and the feet go into the outside channel of the circle. So pop the feet in and I just give it a light touch to make sure I have got the feet in the right place because I don't always. Then to cut, we're just going to press down on the card and move the blade slowly. Whoops, don't worry if your mat moves, just make sure the circle doesn't move. Move it slowly around the circle till you get back to where you started. And there we have the inner circle removed. Now keep that because you might use that for another layout. So what do we do now? Well, I'm going to grab my 12-inch trimmer and I'm going to cut this first in half. And then I'm going to cut the halves into quarters. Like so. And there I have my 4 quarters. I'm going to take my cardstock and I'm going to adhere each piece to a separate corner. So I've got my repositionable tape, and you don't need much, just a little on each. Very easy. And you can do as many of these on a page as you like. You might have them, all around, but I'm just doing the 4 corners for the moment. There we go. And there you have it. My page has started and it looks much the same as what I did with the All My Love collection. So, how did you go? Easy, isn't it? I hope you liked it. and I can't wait to see all the amazing things you create in this virtual crop. Wherever you are around the world, have a great day. Bye.